It's 11:30 and it's WNS42 test time.
This is a test of the WNS42 emergency alert equipment. When there is an emergency, this system will alert you to the impending hazard. This test is conducted every Saturday between 11 a.m. and noon. This station serves the entire U.S. This concludes this test of WNS42.
It's safe.
Hello, 36. Sonora, today, breezy, mostly sunny.
Shouldn't be that bad. Alright, that concludes your test with WNS42.